And this would be a good time to take a vacation to somewhere warm. Meteorologist Sabrina Fine joins us now with a check on the weather. And Sabrina, I keep hearing it from you. Snow, wintry mix.
Yeah, we would all like to take a nice trip to somewhere warm. I had a trip planned to California, but then I got scared with all the COVID rates. So it's really hard to, I guess, vacation at the moment if you want to sneak away from the snowfall, because not only did we have snow today, but we're anticipating a series of storms throughout the entire week, that the only dry day will in fact be Monday. Temperatures usually this time of year are at about 43 degrees. We were close to that today. This will not be the case, though, for Monday, our one dry day. Even though we have plenty of sunshine, temperatures will be cooler than normal. Right now, as you get ready for bed, Parkton, you're sitting at 25 degrees. Essex, 28. That's the same number for you. Rolling throughout the Inner Harbor. Look at the temperature change in the last 24 hours. You see it there, right? Annapolis, 10 degrees cooler. The Inner Harbor, 11 degrees cooler. Tomorrow morning, when we wake up, we could have some locations in the teens. Most of us, though, will be dancing right around that 20-degree mark, which is why a little bit of slick roadways or possible black ice, especially on those bridges and overpasses. So make sure you use extra caution, maybe even head out the door a little bit earlier to allow for that. By the time we look at your radar, we're not picking up anything just yet, but this is going to change as early as Tuesday. And here's the deal, right? So high pressure is moving into place. That brings us plenty of sunshine. It's also going to pull in some of that cooler air with our winds starting for the first half of the day out of the north. So why not be like, I guess, the hero of the workplace and bring in some nice warm cup of coffee for everybody, or maybe even your loved one, have a nice treat waiting for them, right? Make them a nice hot cup of tea as they wake up in bed, because temperatures will be cool to start, and even throughout the day will roll about 5 to 10 degrees cooler than normal, despite the fact that we have plenty of sunshine for you. Now, Tuesday's morning is when we have this weak little disturbance rolling through. I'd go ahead and bump this storm chance probably to about 30%, but it's just in the morning hours. Temperatures into the afternoon are going to warm up into the 40s, close to where we should be for us this time of year. Breaking it down for you hour by hour. You're noticing tomorrow morning, starting you out at 8 a.m., just the slick roadways, but overall gorgeous. You'll need your sunglasses as you head on out the door. And then it's Tuesday morning, as early as 6 o'clock. We could be dealing with, I think, a rain mix snow coming throughout the area. Most of it looks like heading from Severn further to the north for the region. I don't think we're going to pick up a lot of accumulation because it's out of here as early as 11:30, maybe just turning over to all rain out over toward Bel Air and pushing out toward East, and pretty much done from the region when we get close to that noon hour. But remember, this is just the first disturbance this week. Let's broaden the view here for you. Watch what happens Wednesday. You see that shading in blue? I think we could actually have snow beginning to fall on Wednesday, maybe just picking up probably about an inch, maybe an inch and a half. And this is going to be Wednesday night, staying with us through Thursday. But right now, models are indicating that on Thursday, we could have a little bit warmer air. So it's really going to be sleet, which is key to the forecast and why it may change. Sleet possibly all the way until we get through Friday morning. And it looks like the sleet total accumulation could be about an inch and a half. If in fact it's colder and is snow, we could see snowfall totals anywhere from 4 to 6 inches. So something we definitely have to keep our eyes focused on. One thing is for certain, though, that is tomorrow we're going to be cool. We wake up with icy roads. By 7 a.m., only 21 degrees for you. 11 o'clock, 28. You have to keep those gloves on as you drive the car. And then once we get to 5 p.m., even though you have so much sunshine, temperatures are still into the low 30s. Your 7-day forecast for you, though, shows you how tomorrow we have the sunshine. Then by Tuesday in the morning, we have that rain-snow mix. The afternoon's nice, though. You end up seeing your temperatures in the 40s. Wednesday evening is when we have our stronger system coming on down. Snowfall, then turning to sleet for you on your Thursday and Friday. And then over the weekend, Valentine's Day weekend, we have another chance of snow. That's a look at your 7-day forecast. We'll be right back.